Welcome to Python learning session. Today we'll be talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries is one of the data structure in Python and it is widely used to store and manipulate data. So let's get started learning about dictionaries, shall we? In this dictionary exercise, what we have is a dictionary called grades and it is it has some values. There's Anna, John, Dennis, and Katie. It's about grades about a class some students are taking in a semester, and they are getting these grades B, A plus A, and A, and they are put in a dictionary. Now, they are stored in dictionary. Now, what if I wanted to look at the what's the contents of dictionary? How do I do that? Think about it. I would start by typing grades, and grades would give us the content of dictionary. It's easy, isn't it? And next thing is that let's say if I want to look for a specific person, let's say John. Let's do that. Let's see if you can find it. John is a person we want to look at. What do you think would be the result of this output of this command? Grades John. Think about it. It should give us A plus, and it did. Now, let's say if we select a person who is not in dictionary, let's say Sujan, then what would what we would get? Think about it. Let's see what we get. It gives error because there is no key called Sujan in the dictionary, and that's why it's giving error. Now, let's assign a grade to that. Let's assign a grade to that A to that person, and if we assign A and let's run it, now we'll again read that same value, Sujan, and we will see what grades he has, and it gave us A. Now, there are other ways to working with dictionary, such as I can check whether is John is in a dictionary or not. How to do it? Do you know? You can check by saying John in grades. In grades, and this should give us whether that person is in the dictionary or not. And output of the disk should be true or false. And it's true because that person is there. Now, similarly, what we can do is we can type some other person. Let's say David in grades. The David is not in grades and it should give us a false value. And let's run this and give us a false value. Now, let's see if I want to delete a entry from dictionary. Do you know how to do it? We should, let me show you. We will start by typing delete and we'll delete a person from dictionary. Let's say it's a Anna. Let's delete that and let's see what we get. We didn't get anything. Now let's go back and see what is the current status of dictionary of grades and see how many people are there. Okay, the Anna is not there anymore. That means she has been removed from the dictionary. Now, what if I want to just look at the key value of the dictionary? How do I do that? Do you know? We can do that by grades and keys, and this should give us the key values of the dictionary. Similarly, now if I want to look at the values of the dictionary, not the keys, but just values, then we can just type values here. And these are the values of dictionary. So let me quickly summarize what we learned today. We learned that dictionary is a data structure within Python, and it's a list of key value pairs. It has two parts, key and value. And keys has to be unique in dictionary, but value doesn't have to be unique. There are different functions you can do in dictionary, such as you can check what's the contents of dictionary by just typing name of the dictionary. You can look for, if you know the name key, then you can just type the dictionary and the key, and you'll get the output of that. If you want to add a new key, then you just type grades and assign a value to that, and you enter a new key which must be unique to that dictionary. In the same way, we can check whether a certain value exists in a dictionary just by typing some value in grades or some other dictionary name, and it will give you true or false. And you can delete a certain person from dictionary or value from dictionary by typing delete and grades and some key, whatever you want to do. And you can list out the keys by typing grades keys and grades values. So that's all for today. I'll see you next learning session. Thank you so much.